Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display traffic info on the route on the Naver Map application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. Go to the navigation section and here you can find the show traffic info on the route option under the show traffic info, and if you want to display, just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.